After this, there'll be no more because I find that I don't really enjoy it. I'm gonna pursue something else. So. We got our books, textbook set up for all the students. He's coming tomorrow. So, test.
Those who see here.
Oh, yeah. The charts below, $0 and no, most of the time. There's no consider that is 100% positively correlated.
Fast withdrawal, okay, so withdrawal, okay. I'm looking for one very important.
Anytime. You wouldn't know when, but it's going to turn on anytime. If you got sell trade here, can you hold until night time? Where did it go to? Go down. So what do you think is the function? All this not okay? Do you even bother? Hey guys, just came back home. Been a long tired day and voice today not doing so good because yesterday a lot of chlorine going inside. If I swim, then tomorrow my voice will be worse. This is the last workshop that I'll be conducting. After this, there'll be no more because I find that I don't really enjoy it. Why keep doing something that you don't enjoy, right? If you don't enjoy doing it, teaching for 7 hours for 2 days, then don't do it. I love teaching, but then just not a whole day kind of workshop kind of thing. Tomorrow is one more day. One more final day. I don't know how to feel about this because it's the last one. It's like a bittersweet kind of thing, but you know, we're just gonna enjoy ourselves and yeah, make the most out of it. Time to eat, go to gym. No matter how tired, we gotta go to the gym. Now it's 10 p.m. Gym time for about 1 hour and then we'll be done. Good morning guys, so first thing first, we're gonna take some coffee. It's the last workshop we have, so we're gonna give our best no matter how tired we are. Okay, this baby is cute. Let's do this. So today's a Sunday. We only had 5 to 6 hours sleep, so streets are pretty quiet. Can you see? There's like nobody. It's like zombie apocalypse. I like doing conference keynotes, so I'm still doing conference keynotes, but I'm not doing workshops anymore, so it's the last one. We got books. I give my students my books. This is the first book that I quoted. This is old photo. Used to sell in Singapore bookstores for like $42, if I'm not wrong. Then now it's sold out, so we're not selling anymore. So now my house just became a warehouse for books. Lit. This is the whole entire room. So the new students, they're sitting in front. Then the older ones, they're coming back to refresh, so they're sitting behind. This group here, they're from Malaysia. One of my favorite places to speak at, Malaysia. And very often time, I go to all these countries to talk for free. Like, nobody pays me a single cent. This kind of classes, this is called a workshop. It's very different from a conference because a conference is more like, you know, those events, expos, exhibitions, all that. I'm still going to events where maybe like companies invite me or brokers invite me. I'm still making all these pictures. 99% of my time is just hard work that a lot of people don't see. But then when it comes to like taking in students for like full day courses and all that, no more of that anymore because I don't really enjoy it, and second thing is I don't need to teach for a living. I don't need to teach courses for a living. That's why you can stop anytime you want. There's one competitor. He cannot handle doing business with having a competition. So he did a video about me and then like just making assumptions and then say, oh, careful's a scam. Like as long as you teach a Forex course in Singapore, he's gonna attack you. I'm like, you attack all you want, but I'm changing more lives than you right now. It's not like you have any finance credentials because as far as I know, the only finance credential you have is running a course scamming people. You know who I'm talking about. You continue doing your thing. I let karma take care of you. I have no time to make a video to attack people because you know why? Only losers do that kind of thing. But I know the rest of people in the industry, they're really nice, okay, they're really nice. I don't see them as competitors, but as a friend. I see them like a friend. And a lot of times, I send business to my so-called competitors. Because I believe in collaboration rather than competition. We got mic set up. This one I reserve for classes. This one is like a headset mic, it's like that. It's like vacuum cleaner today, auntie sale for $5.90. Okay, can suck a lot of things, can suck. We got a honey. You gotta drink honey. Because my mentor, he teach me how to trade gold. And then he was like, drink more vodka, my friend. Right, are we ready to go? Tripod, let's finish this. Okay, good morning. Good morning. Had a good sleep?
No.
Why no? Too excited.
Yeah, exactly.
Dream about me. Okay, yesterday we covered a couple of things. We talked about wake up with. If you cannot hold more than one day, then you won't be able to keep and also grow your trading and
Depends on the decisions you make every single day.
also have dessert. I think this is dessert. Okay guys, done with the bootcamp. This is my last intake ever. Been a good 3 years. Journey was really long. Realized I didn't like this. Then right now, I'm gonna pursue something else. So, end of something is also beginning of something. Okay? So that's, talk to you in the next vlog. Bye.